Hello friends, Running Kimono here. It is Sunday, March the 17th. Happy St. Patrick's Day. And we have a lot of very cheap items over at Walgreens. This is an in-store video. We're going in store and looking at deals with register rewards, digital coupons, and a whole bunch of clearance magic. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful if you could take a second and like this video. And if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing today to make my Sunday. It would really make my day. First thing we're going to talk about is clearance frozen food. Tyson Anytizers, which are these boneless chicken bites, 50% off at $6.29. That is cheaper than Walmart or anywhere. We also have the Frank's Red Hot Bites as well for $2.99, 50% off. So any sort of like chicken, look for these clearance tags. We have the cauliflower margarita pizza for $5.79, another 50% off. So I have a sneaky suspicion all of this food will be gone. It's not going to $75 because the price of food in grocery stores right now, crazy. And when you can even get it for $2.79 or $5 whatever for a bag of chicken, people are going to buy it. So definitely walk down that frozen food aisle if you are in store because these prices are fantastic. You can use register rewards and Walgreens cash to pay. Another little clearance find is with the Neutrogena acne. I still suffer from acne as well, so I'm always looking at this stuff. We have a stubborn texture liquid for $9.99. If you can find something cheaper clearance wise, that would be a better way to go, but this is the cheapest thing I could find. We have a $4 digital coupon. Make sure you load this one this morning. And this is a deal that you're going to have to move on it quickly. IBOTTA's giving another $3 back, but if you see the time ticker of doom is started at 23 hours, so load it and then go and double triple check that everything's scanning in store. So one of these for $9.99, subtracting your $4 digital, you'll pay $5.99. Submit that receipt to IBOTTA for $3. The final price point is $2.99 for an acne cleanser that's like almost $16. That's a no-brainer. If you're doing this with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, but move on this one ASAP. The next deal that we're going to look at involves the General Mills cereal tagged at 2 for $5 this week. We have this digital coupon, which is $1 off of 2, which is attaching to the Cheerios, all the different cereals, whichever one you want. IBOTTA is offering $1 back when you buy 2, so that's some extra savings. Very straightforward deal. 2 of these boxes is $5 on the nose. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $4. And then photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for $1 back, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per box. And it is okay to use some Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But what a way to just get some very inexpensive cereal, like to pay $1.50 per box. That's an unheard of price point at any store right now, like a Kroger, Meijer, Walmart. Very cheap price point. Now, these two next deals are my favorite. We have the Pantene at $5 a pop. Those conditioners, magic in a bottle. They're $5, and it's a $5 register reward when you buy 2 of them. So that is the promotion of the week for this. And then we have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that appeared this morning. So please make sure that you load this guy. Just to show you what I got a shampoo and then one of those beautiful masks in the Smooth and Sleek. I'm hoping that it's going to help out my hair. So 2 of those for $10, subtracting your $3 digital coupon, you're going to pay $7. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $2 for the 2 or $1 per shampoo or conditioner. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And myself, what I did was I had a $4 register reward from Garnier last week. I also threw it into the mix to get a much lower out of pocket, and that scanned no problems, no issues this morning to get my out of pocket a lot less. And then just to give you guys a quick peek, here's my register reward. $5 back for buying 2 of those beautiful Pantenes. Now we're going to look at the Tresemme, another fabulous shampoo for $6 a pop. You got to buy the big shampoo and conditioners. The fancier stuff is more expensive. So here's the tag, $6 a pop, $5 reward when you buy 2. The register rewards were also printing this morning. No problems, no issues, and that's been a problem for weeks for me. So this is what I grabbed: 2 of the smooths, a shampoo and a conditioner. And we have a 5 off of 2 from last week, so hopefully you didn't use it. Make sure you have that guy loaded for this one. Very straightforward deal. 2 of those Tresemmes is $12. Subtracting your digital, you're going to pay $7. Get back one $5 register reward, making it $2 for the 2 or $1 per Tresemme for a massive bottle. Yes. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now we're going to look at a Pampers deal. They're 2 for $21. So grabbing 2 of them, I got the larger sizes, and maybe this is where I fell with a mistake, but there's supposed to be a $5 like P&G register reward printing, and then the 4 back when you buy 2 this week. Unfortunately, I only got a $4 register reward for buying 2. Maybe you'll have better luck than I, but I tried. It did not work though, but I tried. We have this digital coupon loaded, which is a $4 off of a Swaddler. So grabbing 2 of these for $21, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $7. I got back one $4 register reward. Maybe you'll get more than I. That's all I got. So the final price point was $13 for the 2 or $6.50 per bag. And if you can get that extra one to print, or perhaps I grabbed 2 different sizes and that caused it to not work, I don't know, but I'm not having a lot of luck with that. But if you have better luck than I, please share in the comments what you're grabbing. The next deal we're going to look at is with the Colgate. It is both with the brushes and the paste, making it very inexpensive this week. $4 a pop, $4 register reward when you buy 2, and we also have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that's attaching to these cheaper Colgate products. I kind of estimated that it would be the 4 off 2 attaching. Not the case. It's the cheaper digital coupon. Go figure. Here's the math for this one. 2 of those Colgate brushes is $8 on the nose. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per toothbrush. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Also, there's another promotion on the toothpaste that's very similar to that. I'm not going to type it out because it's identical to this. Here it is. What I will recommend, if you wanted to get like 2 brushes and 2 pastes, do it in 2 separate transactions so that $4 register reward will print for you twice. It's the same promotion, so only one register reward will print per transaction. So just be super mindful of that, guys. My favorite deal of the week is the Dawn dish soap for $1.24. I love when they bring this around every other week. They're $1.24 register reward when you buy 2 of them. The register reward will print once per transaction. So we have 2 of these cute little guys that we're going to get for the transaction, an original. So 2 of them is $2.48. Get back that $1 register reward, dropping it down to $1.48 for the 2 or 74 cents per dish soap. Very, very, very good stock up price. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now, I hear a lot of you saying that, a $50 basket is just way too much. And I hear you. I mean, I think that $1 isn't stretched the way that it is anymore. So on Tuesday, I will release a video on a $50 basket stacking this, the 7 back when you spend 20 on Walgreens brand items, and then a 10 back when you spend 30 on beauty. There is a way to stack these 3. So I'll release the video in a couple of days. I know this is not everybody's cup of tea, these larger spend baskets, but I do have something prepared. So watch for that earlier next week or this coming week. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.